Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going on a fun adventure to explore the sounds of farm animals and other exciting creatures. Whether you're a child or just young at heart, you're in for a treat. So, let's get started. Cows. Did you know that cows are known for their distinctive moo sound? Let's listen to a cow. Cows are gentle giants and provide us with milk, cheese, and yogurt. They love to graze in the fields. 2. Chickens. Next, we have chickens. Listen to their clucking. Chickens are not just for eggs. They're also quite social. They love to roam around the farm and peck at the ground. Pigs. Now, let's hear from some playful pigs. What do they say? Pigs are known for being very intelligent. They love mud and can often be found rolling around in it. 4. Sheep. And how about the fluffy sheep? Listen to their bark. Sheep are often found in pastures, and their wool keeps us warm.
Bam!
5. Horses. Finally, let's hear from our majestic friends, the horses. Listen to their neighing. Horses are strong and beautiful, and they've been companions to humans for centuries. 6. Goats. Now, let's meet some energetic goats. What sound do they make? Goats are curious and love to climb. They can often be seen frolicking around the farm. 7. Turkeys. Next, let's hear from some gobbling turkeys. Turkeys are large birds that make a distinctive sound. They're often seen during holidays but are fascinating animals year-round. 8. Donkeys. And how about our hard-working donkeys? Listen to that. Donkeys are known for their strength and gentle nature. They're great companions on the farm. 9. Rabbits. Let's not forget the cute rabbits. What sound do they make? Rabbits are soft and love to hop around. They often nibble on fresh vegetables from the garden. 10. Ducks. Lastly, let's quack it up with some ducks. Ducks love to paddle in ponds and are known for their cheerful quacking. Now that we've met some farm animals, let's discover some other fascinating creatures. 1. Dogs. How could we forget about dogs? Let's hear a happy bark. Dogs are loyal friends and come in all shapes and sizes. 2. Cats. And here's a curious cat. Listen to that purr. Cats are playful and love to chase after things, just like the kittens you might see on a farm. birds so many sounds? Let's share some fun facts. Did you know that cows can recognize their friends? Or that chickens can remember over 100 faces? What's your favorite animal sound? Let us know in the comments below. You can also try to mimic these sounds at home. Thank you for joining us on this animal sound adventure. We hope you enjoyed meeting these amazing creatures and learning about their sounds. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time.